Okay, today our topic is control memory. Control memory is nothing but the memory present within the control unit is called as control memory. Control memory stores microprogram. Microprogram is nothing but a collection of micro instructions. Micro instructions can contain one or more micro operations. What is mean by control memory means it can stores micro program. Microprogram is the collection of micro instructions. Micro instructions. And micro instructions can contain one or more micro operations. One or more micro operations. Micro operations are nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. are called as micro operations. And here control memory, here you can observe that control memory is designed by using rom is nothing but read only memory. Here by this read only memory we can perform only read operations, we cannot perform write operations, and we cannot perform modifications also. So in control memory we cannot perform any modifications, okay, because it is made with designed with rom. And control address register, control address register means it hold address of the instructions. That means take an example, suppose memory uh, with the address 000 0001, and the instruction is 0010 or 1111. This is the instructions. And it holds the address of the instruction. That means first instruction address is 0000. This address is held by control address register. That means 0000 is held by control address register. Control address register is nothing but it holds the address of the instruction. Okay, control address register. It holds the address of the instruction. And next is control data register. Control data register is nothing but it contains the instructions that is to be executed. What are the instructions to be executed? Those instructions are stored in control data register. Suppose take an example, the 00 address instructions to be executed. So the 00 address can contain some instruction that is 0010. This instruction is stored in control data register. This 010 is nothing but an instruction. And in micro instruction, a micro instructions can contain micro operations. Okay, micro operations. We human communicate with our language, but in system in computer can communicate in binary language. So it is nothing but an operation like suppose think it is an addition operation, like that. Okay, so micro so control data register is nothing but it contains the instruction that is to be executed. So control data register is nothing but it contains the instruction that is to be executed is called as control data register. And next address generator is nothing but while CPU is executing an instruction while CPU is executing an instruction in control data register, simultaneously the next address register the next address generator will generate the next address which is to be executed next. That means suppose the control data register is executing the first instruction, that is 0010. Suppose the next instruction is to be executed, that is 1111. These address is next instruction address is stored in next address generator. That means 0001 address is these address is stored in next address generator. Okay, and the control data register contains micro instructions that is to be executed. We know that in micro instructions it contains additional bits in order to generate the next address instruction. That means suppose the instruction is 1001, and it can contain some additional bits in order to generate the next address instruction. So another 2 bits, suppose take the additional bits are 2. These 2 bits will generate the next address instructions. These 2 bits may be status bits, either 0, sign, overflow, etc. Okay, these bits specifies the status, and also it will use to generate the next address of the instruction. This is overall about the control memory, okay, in micro programmed concept. Thank you.